Fireworks Supermarket. This is the Fireworks Supermarket. We're visiting there for the first time. My dad went to that tent thing in 2022, 23. We went to Sparky's Fireworks in 2022, and now we're going to the Fireworks Supermarket. I bet this one here has a much more than that too. I want to get sparklers in the fireworks.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Wow, we're doing good.
Any questions, just let us know.
Okay.
I guess we should get this one.
Okay.
We already got this one last year.
This one is the one we got last time.
Mhm.
What are these? Sparklers.
No, I think these are bottle rockets. We've already did the boogie lights last year.
Hey, can I see that, Marshall? Is this box of 144?
Those are the cool ones, man.
They're long.
No, these aren't like the kind. No, you don't want those.
Yeah, you don't want these. We should get.
I already got them, Marshall. They're in the cart. Now we follow Dad. I just wanted to get sparklers because they're my favorite thing to get.
I want to get like a big multi-pack, but I don't want this big. I want like $150.
Well, we'll follow you. You go.
Let me come this.
Come on, Chan.
I'll like start on this end or something. I remember last year they had it on that one. I don't know. We'll just keep looking around and see.
Oh, well, that's all the sparklers are back there.
Some of them insanity. Whoa.
Godzilla Gorilla.
You guys like to light a lot of those, like, you know, smaller ones, right? Like we usually do. Here, go this direction. This is where some of that is.
Let's do Ticket to Ride.
Thanks.
Come back, kaleidoscope.
Between $50 and $75.
Bro, we already did the boogie lights and the temporary insanity Jack in the Box Sonic Jack last year. Remember?
Hey, this is some of the same we did last year. Garden and Spring. Do you remember that one?
Garden Spring, Center and
Box
Missile
of
Battery. We're
local
not
boxes.
getting that again. We already did that one last year.
Oh, I got one a little bigger than that one last year. I thought maybe that's what this one is. The $75. I'm gonna keep walking and see what else they got. They got so many different things.
Not so many much different things. Let's hope we get. Hey, look, they're. Hey, look, there's the Color Me Bad. This is the Color Me Bad.
Maybe instead of spending like $100 and some on separate stuff, maybe we can just get $100 and some pack. Like, look, here's a 12 multi-shots, 12 reloadables. What does that mean? Like,
Reloading for
just bought one pack.
We should get this one.
I don't really want to spend more than $150 anyway.
We want this one.
Marshall, that's like a $250 pack. It's $100 more than I want to spend. But that is a really big, awesome pack, though. This is a pretty good pack, too, though. This has got some of the big colored balls that shoot way up and the big explodey ones, kind of like when you go and see the big fireworks. That's what artillery shells and stuff are. The shells are like the big things. So like if we got this pack, you would have a couple of these really big ones that like shot up the big balls, like I'm talking about. These other big ones are probably really good, and then you got your 4 medium-sized ones that are awesome, and then you got these other 4 smaller ones. It's crazy. Considering how much some of this costs, it's not bad value for $150. I'm gonna look around the whole store. So I'll give you that.
Okay.
That's gonna be good. Will you give me some space here? Hey, here's another Cover Me bag.
Luke.
We won't get the same stuff we got before, though.
But we don't want to.
30-some or 40-some dollars for a good one of these. This one's 60.
We've already did the Color Me Bad last year. Can we?
This is what Marshall has a lot. Temper tantrums.
Actually, just said that. Oh no, this is the. This is.
That's not. These are the hang
Oh,
10.
Roman candles. Okay. This is. Oh, these are huge ones. We don't want those really huge ones. We just want some of the simple, cheap ones. Ball. Usually they have 10 or 12. Where's the 10 or 12 shot Roman candles?
Dad, tomorrow will be one more day before my butterfly knife comes in.
Yeah. Okay, Chandler. I can't think about that right now.
Don't get up in there, Chandler.
I still got bunker busters from last year. I don't need to buy any of those.
Wait, these are illegal?
This is really cool. 24 shells. It shoots 100 feet in the air, so you get 24 of the big things. And that itself is $150. That doesn't sound bad. Doesn't it? I don't want that to be like the only thing. Louder now. I want louder now.
Hey, Dad. We should get the Elite 8. Get the Elite 8. Get the Elite 8. It only costs like $49 or so.
Getting nutty.
I'm gonna look at the video and see what it does. How much is it? Elite 8 is $44.99. It's 8 of those big shots.
Or I only have 5% on my phone left, so I'm gonna end the video for now.